Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how I apply false lashes. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So to apply your false lashes, you will need some glue, mascara, lashes, and some form of applicator. I like using tweezers, but that's just what I use. So the eyelashes I'm using are from Coco Lashes from Demi G. And when you're taking off your lashes, you want to pull it from the band really slowly to avoid from ripping it. Like, this is very vital. So once again, I'm going in with my duo glue I bought from Walgreens, really cheap, maybe $2. And I applied it to the band. And when you're applying it to the band, you want to make sure that you put majority on each tip, because that's the part that's likely to lift. And what I just did was I waved it to dry it, maybe like 10-15 seconds, and you're good to go. And now what I'm doing, I'm just applying it to my lash line as close as I can. You don't want your lash on top of your eyelid. Like, that's not cute at all. So once again, make sure you apply your lash as close to your lash line as possible. And now I'm just pushing it down to bring it closer to my lash line. And then we're going to go in with the other eyelash, and we're going to apply it to the lash line as close as possible. You guys, this is very vital. That's why I keep saying it, because having your eyelash on top of your eyelid is not cute, ma. It's not. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push it down and make sure it's as close as possible. And I feel as if this helps me a lot, because it gets me even closer to the lash line as I was when I first applied it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.